ध्यायामो धवलावगुण्ठनवतीम् तेजोमयीं नैष्ठिकीम् स्निग्धापाङ्गविलोकिनीम् भगवतीम् मन्दस्मितश्रीमुखीम् वात्सल्यामृतवर्षिणीम् सुमधुरम् सङ्कीर्तनालापिनीम् श्यामाङ्गीम् मधुसिक्तसूक्तिम् अमृतानन्दात्मिकाम् ईश्वरीम्।
It gives me great honor and privilege to make this announcement of the first recipient of the Amrita Acharya Award, which is being instituted by the Amrita Center of Excellence in Fetal Care. The Amrita Acharya Award is an award which is basically being given away to a mentor in the field of fetal medicine in India. The Amrita Acharya Award for Mentorship Excellence in Fetal Medicine has been instituted for the first time this year by the Amrita Center for Excellence in Fetal Care. The award will be given away once every 2 years during FETACON, the biennial conference of our center. Its purpose is to recognize and honor sustained efforts in furthering the cause of fetal care in India by training aspiring doctors in this young branch of medicine. The recipient will be a senior faculty in fetal medicine who is held in the highest regard by his or her colleagues for not just his or her clinical abilities, but specifically for their mentorship skills in passing on these to the future generations. The award is a Lifetime Achievement Award and is given to one who serves as a role model to aspiring fetal medicine specialists in our country.
They say it takes all kinds to make the world, but to make a world of difference, it takes one of a kind. There are lots and lots and lots of good people in this country, but there are very few who make you feel, had I not been born in the same era as these gentlemen were, I would have missed something in life. A.R. Rahman, for example, music composition, Sachin Tendulkar in cricket. For me, that one person in the field of fetal medicine in India is Suresh sir.
I have known Dr. Suresh for over 30 years now. What do you say of a person whom you are so closely associated for so many long years? My first impressions were here was a gentleman who knew what he had to show in terms of images, who knew how to follow up and say whether his interpretation was right or wrong, and who knew very well to share this information with others. I think the sharing quality is absolutely rare, and he is an embodiment of this quality of sharing. I tried to adapt it in my own career.
I met Dr. Suresh for the first time in 2008 when I heard him give lectures on obstetric ultrasound in South Africa. And I realized immediately, this is a fantastic teacher.
Dr. Suresh always believed knowledge should be given in abundance, nothing should be asked in return. Only thing we are telling, you have to do a ethical practice, and then you have to keep sharing your knowledge with your colleagues.
One of the most admirable things about Professor Suresh is that he has always fulfilled the unmet need that India has had in ultrasound. He's always been there to train and teach. Truly admirable.
For me, what has been fascinating is to watch Dr. Suresh's intervention skills. To date, I don't think I have watched anyone else perform intervention with the degree of ease and slickness that he does.
The way he makes the most difficult procedures look so simple, and my mom keeps telling me, don't think by seeing him that everything can be done immediately, because the kind of wealth of experience that he's having, he just does things as if it may appear simple, but you make sure you go through whatever he does and then ask from him and then learn the minor details. And that has really stood me in good stead, because now when I'm able to do something independently, every step when I feel there is a problem, I only close my eyes and look back to think how Dr. Suresh would have done the same thing.
At the time when I started ultrasound in Bangalore, he was in Chennai, and for any small little doubt, I used to ask him, and he shared his own experiences. I think it's a great relationship that I've had with him, and I admire him over the years, the way he's grown, the way Mediscan has grown, the way he's built up his family, not only his personal family at home in Chennai, but also his extended family of his group of students is remarkable.
It's common for anyone to love a member of your own family. If you have a son, you love your son. If you have a daughter, you love your daughter. But what makes a person special is when he treats someone who is outside his family as one of his own. I was never a part of his students, I was never one of them, but I have learned whatever in my entire career has been using him as an example.
The empathy he has for patients, that's phenomenal. Anybody who come at late evening, he will say, no, please don't send the patient back. We have to do. They are coming from a far off place. If they say that we don't have money, he'll say, just don't bother. Get the scan done, take the report and go.
He's not only a mentor for people in fetal medicine, also a mentor for people in genetics and pathology, and he guides us in each and every step of our way. He's almost like a father figure here, and his main aim is that each and every patient, irrespective of the financial strata, should get the best of medical care that is available.
நான் 1978 டாக்டர் சுரேஷ் கிட்ட ஒர்க் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேங்க. அவர் இந்த ஏழைகள்னா பிரெக்னண்டா வரவங்களுக்கு இன்னைக்கும் ஒரு 25 பேஷண்ட்டுகளுக்கு ஃப்ரீயா பண்ணி கொடுக்கிற இது ஏற்படுத்தி கொடுத்திருக்காரு. அது மூலமா நிறைய பேர் பயன்படுறாங்க. அவர் விஹெச்எஸ்ல ஆர்கனைசேஷன் செக்ரட்டரியா இருக்காருங்க. அங்க ஸ்கேன் ஒன்று ஆரம்பிச்சு அங்க ஏழைங்களுக்கு கொஞ்சம் வசதி கம்மியா எல்லாம் பண்ணி தராருங்க. ரெண்டாவது அங்க முடியாதவங்களுக்கெல்லாம் இங்கிருந்து அவரால் முடிஞ்ச டொனேஷன்லாம் சிலது பண்ணி வாங்கி கொடுக்குறாருங்க. அதனால அவரோட குணங்கள்லாம் ரொம்ப நல்ல குணங்க. இது வேற யாருக்கிட்டையும் ஒரு டாக்டர்ஸ் கிட்ட நம்ம எதிர்பார்க்க முடியாது. ஆனா அவர் ஏழைகளுக்குன்னு நிறைய பண்றாருங்க.
Another remarkable thing about Suresh sir is that he's always given the best that he has to the rest of the world. Now the heart of mentoring, they say, is not how much you keep for yourself, but how much you give to the world around you. And for someone like me who was brought up in a Jesuit school where the doctrine is to give and not to count the cost, here was a living example of the same. And it's no surprise that when you give the best that you have to the world, the best automatically comes back to you. That's a cosmic law.
But I've also had the opportunity to watch him teach and train a large number of fellows in the recent past, and I can see how they learn from him and how much reverence and gratitude and respect they have for him. All of that, I believe, comes from the unconditional way in which he shares his knowledge. He understands people's difficulties, he understands people's limitations, he doesn't put them down for it, and he allows them to scale up in ways that are possible for each individual.
Dr. Suresh's patience is enormous, which is most important prerequisite for any teacher. Because as you would know, initially when we start learning, you do a lot of mistakes, and then there will be so obviously like a child learning to walk, and at that time whoever is trying to help them out, whoever is trying to mentor them, should have the patience. Anybody had the freedom of talking. The students could ask why you did this kind of reporting, why can't it this way. So if this was encouraged, I should say that all this was responsible for the excellent growth of this art and science in the center.
He has always been interested in not just moving forwards but in taking others along with him. And he has never had doubts on others. While we might have doubts on our ability to reach wherever he wants us to go. So his expansion of vision and his faith in people induces faith in yourself.
The sir is always there to guide. The way, the confidence he gives, and the way, the easiness with which we can approach him has really made him a great guru.
Dr. Suresh has seen to it that thousands of Indian doctors have achieved basic skills and knowledge in obstetric ultrasound, and many of these doctors have then moved on from basic skills to very high levels of skills in obstetric ultrasound. And who benefits from this? I would say millions of Indian women and their unborn children. Indeed, millions of Indian families benefit from this.
When you talk about Suresh sir, you think about a teacher and a guru. A teacher is someone who teaches, but a guru is someone who lives by his example. And we look up to that example and try to follow that example.
I've known him already for many years, and from the very beginning I was very impressed by him. But it is since last year, when I had the great opportunity of visiting his center in Chennai, that my admiration has grown even further. I was deeply impressed with the outstanding work, both scientific as also social, that he's doing, and especially with the fantastic teaching activities and teaching programs that he has developed.
Dr. Suresh sir is my dream teacher. Since last 18 years I have waited to do this course. Mediscan is a brand. Wherever we put it, the people are just like, they are the perfect people doing excellent work. Suresh sir has made this possible for us.
When somebody initiates a specialty in the country, it takes a lot of dedication, it takes a vision to actually establish a specialty, and simply because you're passionate about it, it's very easy to just do your job well, but it's a different commitment to actually build the support structure, be that a perinatal pathology unit, be that a genetic lab, be that a training process, because one realizes that this is a need and that we need to train people in good quality obstetric ultrasound and then on in fetal medicine, and to put what it takes to actually achieve that dream. I mean, if we think about it, it's a huge and phenomenal task, and the man who has achieved it, along with a team of very dedicated people, wears this journey very lightly on his shoulder. And if you ask him today, he'll say it was just something that needed to be done and I did it, and doesn't make a big deal of it. But if I pause to look at the enormity of what is achieved, I'm always in awe of the fact that this was done seemingly effortlessly.
For somebody from a medical field to understand an IT requirement that would actually fulfill the needs of around 5,000 people in the country way back in 90s. So I think this is something to be really noted.
Many years he's had this consistent passion not only to learn but then to immediately disseminate this knowledge to everybody around. And I think that's why he has become India's leading mentor as far as ultrasound is concerned.
Strong, uncompromising, robust, encouraging, supportive, helpful. It's Dr. Suresh, and my heartiest congratulations to him for this very well-deserved award of student mentorship.
It gives me great pleasure to congratulate Professor Suresh for this great award that he is receiving.
Suresh, sir, this is Baski here from London. Congratulations on your Mentorship Excellence Award.
Hi Suresh, you are receiving the Lifetime Achievement Award, for the great contribution for the field in maternal health, in India. Well, you do deserve this, and you do not really need, my support or anything, but keep on the good work, take care of your health as well.
Dear Suresh, many congratulations on receiving this prestigious award. I can't think of anyone in fetal medicine who deserves this award more than you do.